Today we are going to make 3 different ways to cook up dandelions. But before that, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to press that notification bell down below. I am going to show you how to cook up the flowers, the leaves, and the roots. Let's start off and finding some dandelions. Let's go. Look what I just found. I got a dandelion patch here and here. There's dandelions everywhere. Dandelions are a great source of antioxidants and they're bees' first food in the spring.
The best method is the pinch and twist method. You want to take your finger, your pointer finger, and your thumbnail, pinch and twist real quick, and that pops it right off. Dandelions have latex, so we're going to cook that out.
The first dish we're going to make, we're going to fortify some flowers.
We're going to start off by taking a few of the flowers and just rough chopping all these up. Add the flowers right into the bowl. We're going to add an egg. Add some flour. Start out with a 1/4 cup. Add some bubbly water. From this point, add your seasoning. Let's try it. Wow, that's good. Look at this. That tastes fantastic. I would make this again in a heartbeat. Next up, we're going to saute up some dandelion roots. If you have any dried roots, this is going to work better. Root beer candy has traditionally dandelion in. So we got some boiling water. And what you're going to want to do is take your dandelion roots that are dried, dump them in. We're going to brown up some butter to start out. We got brown butter, so you want to add roots in. After a few seconds have gone by, add some chives. And right at the last moment, add some seasoning. Let's see how it tastes. That's fantastic. Go try it.
The last thing that we're going to cook up, we're going to cook up a salad, but not just any type of salad. I'll show you why.
Now we have some of the dandelions, and the reason why this is a special dandelion salad is because everything I'm putting in it is from the garden or from the wild. Let's rough cut this up. Right in the salad, you want to put some lemon balm, all chopped up, wild carrot greens, add for color some dandelion flowers, nice chives from the garden. Mix that up. Best tools are your hands in the kitchen, and not 100% wild because this is cranberry vinegar, but it's the low bush cranberries. Mix that up, and to top it, make it look nice, is some purple violet. Make it look lovely. Let's try the salad. That was amazing. That's 3 different ways to cook up dandelion. I want everybody to get outside, find some dandelions, and make these dishes. These were amazing. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel, or press the round subscribe button to help me out to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you want to see any more cooking videos, press this playlist right here. If you want to see a video that's similar to this, and an awesome video all about cooking wild lettuce, click on this video right here. And until next time, get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.